So we start off today's video with this gorgeous blunt bob style. So it looks like the stylist is adding in some more volume. Beautiful, such a fresh, clean look, perfect for this summer season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some hairstyles, hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So here we have a gorgeous pixie bob haircut transformation. Loving the texture on this one. She has a lot of texture going there in the front. Very pretty. And then we have an undercut style. Loving the design. We're seeing so many designs when it comes to hairstyles. Beautiful bob with that one. I love the exaggeration between the color and the actual shape of this dramatic bob. This is such a cute style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, look at this beautiful orange copper colored bob. This is absolutely breathtaking. And then we see a color change with this pixie. She did get a nice cut refresh with that as well. Wow, so she actually went from a bob to this blonde pixie. And then we have someone rocking out beautiful ginger copper colored hair as well. Beautiful curls within this pixie cut. Perfection. And then we have another undercut bob style. This one also has a dramatic angle as well. And then we see someone with long curly hair. Looks like she wants to cut the hair into a bob. She has beautiful curly hair. And the stylist does a nice textured bob. Very pretty. And the curls really help showcase a more volumized bob as well. And then we have a color change on this pixie style. Oh, looks like she wanted to go with the silver gray color. Oh, wow, look at this bob. So she's got kind of like the ash blonde color for this one. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful mini blunt bob haircut. Beautiful mini blunt bob haircut. So there the stylist is doing the cutting. And this one ends just below the jawline. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.